girlfriends, welcome back to another video. Today is Mask Monday. You already know what day it is. You already know what's going on. My hair, I look absolutely crazy. I washed my hair and I didn't put any product in it last night because I was gonna deep condition, but I didn't. And here we are. I brushed it out just to see what it would look like. And now I look like a lion. But we're gonna get right into the video. My tongue's blue, ignore it. But I did do a pre-poo treatment. If you want to see a pre-poo treatment, that is, check my IGTV. It should be up by now. But this is definitely going in my black owned playlist, so I'm not going to mention it because it is not black owned. So today we are doing Alikay Naturals Avocado Cream Moisture Repairing Mask. So I'm reading the directions and it says to apply it in 2 to 4 sections, to finger comb, to let sit under a plastic cap for 30 minutes, or to get maximum moisturizing benefits, sit underneath a hooded dryer or steamer for 20 minutes, rinse and style as usual. And it says not to let this sit in the shower where steam is collected. Okay. I do like though when you're reading a product and it says things like place a plastic cap or part in 4 sections, like when they're talking our language, you know, so you know they know what they're talking about. It has a seal, which I really love. I love when they have a seal, just so I know, like, you know those videos that were out with everybody like licking ice cream. Not that they would lick hair products, but you never know. Okay, this is like dripping down my neck. So she's green. She looks she's thick. She's thick. She's not too no, she looked thick. We're gonna take down my hair and we're gonna start. We're gonna get right into it. So this is what I'm working with. My hair is pretty much detangled already. I'm just gonna put this side up, but I am gonna do the 4 sections like it says. I always do 4 sections, so that's nothing new for me, but we still don't do it. I forgot to do a smell test. It don't smell good. It doesn't not smell good, but it smells natural, whatever that means to you. I kind of get a Christmas tree vibe. It's definitely green. The green is fading. Yeah, it's not going into your, it doesn't go on green. Yeah, and my hair is blonde, so I'd see it for sure. But yeah, my hair's, it feels good. It feels like it's really lightweight for, like, it's a thick mask, but it's really lightweight, if that makes any sense. Like when I put it on my hair, it doesn't feel too thick. Like you could still see each individual strand. You know I'm going with this? You know where I'm going with this. Yeah. I am going to make sure I'm focusing on my ends because they're blonde. It smells like, I'll give it a 2 out of 10. The smell is literally, and it's not a strong smell, but I have no idea what that smells like. I just don't care for the smell. It smells like cucumber. Oh my gosh, I'm still stuck on the smell because I don't know what this smells like. Well, actually, a little green looked like it stayed in my hair. Just a little. But you guys seen me apply mask 1,000 times. So I put it all in. As you can tell, it felt pretty good actually going in. It really helped. It had some slip, not that it claims to, but it did help me to get those, like, the rest of those naps out. Oh, I forgot my edges, girl. Don't forget them edges, please. Don't forget them edges. Yeah, can't forget those edges, ladies. It doesn't, like, once it's on your hair you can't really tell, But especially because I have blonde hair, I didn't think it went on green, but there is a little green. I'm more than sure that it'll wash out, but there is a little green, but you can't really tell in like in the black parts. I mean, maybe on my edges, but can't really tell. And it's on. Hot head in the microwave, put it on my head, leave it on for an hour, and I will be right back. So I just washed my hair out. It does actually feel pretty good. It looks pretty good. I do have to admit, when washing it out, I was like kind of skeptical. It didn't feel as moisturizing as other masks, especially for it to say like moisture in the name. But now looking at it, I can really tell the difference. Like, it feels good. If it's a thicker mask, I can really like feel it going out. Like, I can barely tell if it's out or not because it's that moisturizing. But this one, I didn't get that, but my hair does seem more like elastic. It has more of a bounce to it. Oh god, it was a little nappy now. But yeah, the smell is still in my hair, which is the only con I can think of. It really smells like cucumber to me. It doesn't bother me too much, but it's definitely not my favorite smell at all. But I am going to do my hair real quick. Oh yeah, it gets a stamp for me. It definitely gets a stamp. But I'm gonna do my hair real quick and we'll be right back. And you're gonna see this look again in the next video. Mind your business, that's neither here nor there. But I have a lot of definition, like a lot of definition, especially because look at these curls, and they're definitely, yeah, they're bouncing. They didn't do that before. They ain't bounce like that. Now I did get a hair. This is you guys' first time seeing my hair since I got a cut. I did get a haircut, if you couldn't tell. I just got a little rounder shape. My bangs are back in action, I think. And yeah. So for day one hair, I can definitely respect this. I absolutely do think that mask helped with the definition, because this is crazy. My hair don't never look this defined and this bouncy. So I really like the Alikay Naturals mask. If you do want to see how it sounds my hair, tune into the next video because that will definitely be there. But thank you guys for watching. You guys stay safe, keep deep conditioning, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Toodles.